In this series, we are building a complete network automation stack from the ground up. A source of truth, a code repo for our playbooks, for our script. We'd look at communication and alerting, how to model our network and do some change validation, a way to initiate requests, and an automation engine or controller to glue everything together. We'll look at how to integrate these various components and also how to integrate this with real-world devices. So basically from zero to fully automated. If you want to automate your network or just want to learn about network automation, you are at the right place. I'll walk you through step by step how to get this up and running from scratch and how to get some real automation done. We'll approach this from a functional component point of view. We will start by building out the core components. We will then extend and add other functional components. The reasoning behind this is that every network environment is unique, from its design and available tools to the operational model and automation use cases. There are differences. However, despite these differences, there are often functional commonalities that will apply across most setups. For example, you will need a source of truth for your infrastructure or a single place that you would keep your network documentation, from how you structure your sites to rack details, power details, device details, your circuit, VPNs, IPAM, and all of that. You'd also need a repository for your code, for your script, and for your playbooks. Then you would need a form of a controller or an orchestrator to glue everything together. Then there are others. So what we'll do is that we'll start building out the core components, which will be our source of truth, our controller. We'll tie this into our repo, get to our devices. Then we'll start adding up some of the other functional components. Now, because of the uniqueness of every environment, the specific tools or how you implement the various functional components may differ between networks, which is fine. The most important thing here is that the functionality is being delivered. For purposes of this demonstration in this series, we need to pick a tool to deliver the various functionality. So in our case, we'd use NetBox for a single source of truth. We'd use GitHub for a code repo. Would use the open source version of Ansible controller or Ansible tower, which is AWX. At the back end, we have Ansible, and this will serve as our automation engine. Once we build out this core component, we will start adding up other functional components, like communication, Slack, how to validate our changes, and how to make requests to trigger our automation workflow. Now, if you are looking at introducing automation to your production network, the easiest part is setting up the automation tooling or the stack like we would do in this series. The difficult part is having alignment on the business case for automation, why automation is needed, the use cases for automation, how your processes look like today, and what the target outlook is, as well as your automation framework in general. In short, you would need an automation roadmap document that captures these. You discuss with the various stakeholders. You have alignment before you start. So that's our intro. In our next video, we'll look at getting a single source of truth for a network environment, in our case, NetBox, running from scratch. So if you're excited about this series, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a video. Thank you.